Hey guys, welcome to a how to create a batch file. Today we will be learning how to create a batch file. And by the way, this image over here, down here, just saying it's there because there's a Windows sign. And I'm scared that YouTube would give me a copywriting strike if they find out that I have the Windows logo on my computer, so it's there. Hope you like my face. I was being crazy. And for a bigger look of it, looks like that. Oh my gosh. So that's staying there. So I forgot. I can't do that. Let's listen to Kalimba. While we create a batch file. Here we go. So basically, a batch file is a kind of like a text. When you paste the text, wait a second. Testing. Okay. Testing. Okay, so basically a batch file is when you take a text, put it in or a notepad, and then save it as batch dot, and then you need to do BAT, and then save it as all files. And instead of saving as a Word document or a notepad file, it would save as a Windows batch file. This app can't run on my PC because it doesn't have any code. But I have other apps that can. About this program, if I click one and enter, it would change the color and it would show you about computer boot 01 for Windows batch file version. And then it says it was made by Notepad+. Yeah. So basically, a batch file is made of a simple code. Let's see what this boot was made out of. According to Visual Studio's code, wait a second. Here it is. This is all the stuff it's made about. If I type in 1, so first it says the title would, okay, so it says first the command usually starts with echo off. You can change that to on if you want. If select EQU 1, go to about. And about is in semicolon, then about. And about would say all of this text. If you click exit, it would exit. It says go to exit. Okay, exit. Yeah. So basically you would exit. Shut down is all of this code. This right here says S, minus S. That means it will shut down your computer. This is a restart. It says R instead. It would restart your computer in time 5 seconds. Restart your computer in time 5 seconds. Log off of your computer would be -L or -L time 5 seconds. So all of these would work in 5 seconds. This brings you to their web page. It pings all of these local hosts, and then brings you to notepadcodes.com, which basically, as you see here, if I go in, one enter. For more info, visit HTTP notepadcodes or type in start. So if I type in ST start, it would execute this line, proving it. I don't have internet, so it's not important. Okay, so it would work on your computer, but I don't have internet now, so it's not going to work. But it would actually open that web page. And this is just saying text. That would exit the application and all of that. So basically, yeah. Matrix is basically another file I have. This goes just basic, matrix. Matrix with 2 X's goes a little bit faster. And matrix with 3 X's, well, I created this. It goes too fast for the computer to process, so it actually shows the code that the computer's using. Percent random percent. Basically, this code was made off of this matrix file. So let's open this with code. So if you open matrix, basically the code is a whole bunch of randoms. In fact, look at all these randoms. Now, every single second, it would execute all these randoms. When it gets to the bottom, it would go to Joseph, which over here, if it's going to Joseph, it would go to line 3. Echo off, color 2. Save. So I just changed the color to 3. Let's now run this matrix. Now it is in a blue color. So that's how you change colors. It basically works like a color list. Let me open up all the colors. Basically, in order to do this, all you need to do is open up your actual command prompt on your computer. It doesn't matter what version command prompts you have. Type in color and then enter. Never mind, type in color help. 0 is black, 1 is green, 2, okay. 0 is black, 1 is blue, 2 is green, 3 is aqua, 4 is red, 5 is purple, and on and on and on. So if I do color 7, my text is now white. If I do color B, my color is now a bright green. Wait a second. Dad! video too. I'm going to show my dad this for the sake of it. Anyway, so in order to change color to a command prompt, it's easy. Type in color space 0 through 9 or A through F. If I do E, I should get light bright yellow. Now when you're creating batch files, it's basically the same thing, but you just do color space 03 on the line. Basically this would, look at this, it runs all of these randoms per second.
Crazy.
So let's run this file again. Now it's in blue. It's running too fast that it's actually showing what code it's actually using. But if we go up, you can see that these randoms are actually converted to matrix. Wait, where? There we go. Yeah, isn't that cool?
Yeah.
And it just keeps on going. So I'm going to teach you how to create a batch file. Basically, say with VBS, you could easily open a text. VBS is a little bit different. Let's open up a VBS now. This is the VBS. All you need to do is x equals MSG box, and then I did all Agario has been blocked agar.blocker. This is just to make my brother mad, but you can type in anything else. If I type in, let's try typing in Joseph is so cool. Let's save it. Now when I run the exact file, it says Joseph is so cool, which is obviously true because I know how to create batch files. And you could use these pranks to be mean to like your friends if you want to, or just to troll them out of the blue. They probably wouldn't like it, but I do it anyway. I'm kidding. You could also turn batch files into exe files with this command. So, or with this, like, just do http batch to exe.net, and there would be a download. This tool would help you convert batch files, excluding to an executable exe file package. Do you want to use your previous source folder? Sure, yeah, whatever. And even open browser folder. No, let's kind of stop. Yeah, okay, good. But yeah, you can turn your batch files into exes. This is one that I turned into an application. Yeah, I'm recording a video. So this one has actually turned it into a application. Basically, I can type in my name. It says I like that name, click continue. Do you know your different tribes? Yes, I do. Well, I'll tell you anyway. Oh, yeah, I forgot. I forgot. Okay. Good. I'm doing bad. Oh, I see. Well, I have to go. No, you don't. And you can always continue on the code. But basically, see that I converted this batch file into an application. Even though I don't always recommend this if you're if you don't have that much storage, because literally a batch file only uses 1 KB, and that uses 1127. So it's a little bit more. So in order to create a batch file, basically, nope, not that. Nope, no, right, sorry, not that. Okay, so basically start with @echo off. Then you could type in something like let me try and find one. Then you type in I want my color to be 03. So that basically sets the color. You're gonna have to check what color it is. And then you can make it echo certain stuff. For example, yikes, I forgot. Sorry about that. And then you paste it. Go to Joseph. These are totally customizable. Joseph. Okay, so here we want it to say Joseph is the what else should I write? Best Joseph is the best YouTuber. File, save as, phone. So now that we just use this simple code to create a batch file, you want to save it as any file name. Then you go in, save as, type all documents. Make sure your encoding is on ANSI. Save it. You can X out of the following window.
We don't need this.
I mean, just nice to have. We have a virtual 450 gigabytes just sitting there. Just in case you want to back up or anything. I recommend you just leave it. So, now that you have that, let's open Joseph is the best. Well, obviously, guys, you can tell I didn't save it as the right thing. Okay, well, it should work on your computer, but it's not working on mine for some reason. I mean, I don't know, but that's basically how you create a batch file. Go on, create a batch file. That's all for this episode.